Is it time to buy or sell NIO stock? In this video, we are diving deep into NIO. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 19th of May, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 8th of May, 2025, our system has categorized NIO as a hold accumulate, assigning it a score of -0.29. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has shown natural fluctuations with a gain of 2.02%. This equates to an average return of 0.25% per day since it was classified as hold accumulate. The stock is currently situated within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further decline is anticipated. The present 3-month trend points to a potential decrease of approximately 15.58% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -42.45% to -4.75%. When we examine the longer term, our 12-month analysis suggests a projected change of -11.02%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance might fluctuate between -32.89% and +47.38% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price in the range of $2.71 to $5.95. Our latest daily update for NIO includes the headline, NIO stock price down 1.46% on Monday. The NIO stock price fell by 1.46% on the last day, which was Monday, the 19th of May, 2025, dropping from $4.10 to $4.04. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 3.32%, ranging from a low of $3.91 to a high of $4.04. The price has been experiencing ups and downs during this period, with a gain of 1.51% over the last 2 weeks. Interestingly, the trading volume fell on the last day along with the stock, which can be seen as a positive sign since volume typically follows the stock's movement. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 4 million shares, with a total of 21 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $84.76 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $7.71, while the lowest price was $3.02. Currently, the price is 47.60% or $3.67 below the 52-week high, and 93.97% or $62.95 below the all-time high recorded on the 11th of January, 2021, when the price peaked at $66.99. NIO, the electric vehicle maker, is attracting attention as it trades at a perceived discount, sparking discussions about whether now is the time to invest. With a focus on its ambitious electric vehicle plans and the hope of reaching break-even profitability, NIO is recognized for having strong fundamentals that could indicate a potential comeback. Analysts highlight that despite economic uncertainties, NIO is expected to maintain resilience alongside other foreign auto stocks. Looking ahead, the company's robust sales and diversified product platforms position it favorably as it navigates promotional fluctuations. The second half of 2025 may signal improved financial performance, driven by a broader acceptance of its battery swap strategy and a normalization of promotional events. However, NIO faces challenges, including intense competition and pricing pressures in the domestic market, along with complexities surrounding international expansion due to tariffs. In the short term, these developments could lead to increased volatility as traders react to market dynamics. However, over the long term, should NIO successfully scale operations and achieve greater profitability by the end of 2025, this could enhance investor confidence and positively influence stock price performance. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 28th of April, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NIO a buy grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 21st of November, 2024, it was noted that Bank of America Securities assigned NIO a neutral grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned NIO an equal weight grade along with an upgrade action. On the same day, Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, Macquarie also assigned NIO an outperform grade with an upgrade action. Earlier, on Monday, the 30th of September, 2024, Citigroup again assigned NIO a buy grade accompanied by a hold action. Analysts have assigned NIO stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for NIO. The NIO stock currently presents a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there's also a buy signal from the long-term average. With the short-term average positioned above the long-term average, this results in an overall buy signal for the stock, indicating a positive outlook. If the stock continues to rise, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $4.08. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find some support from the long-term average at around $3.82. A breakthrough above the short-term average would generate a buy signal, while a drop below the long-term average would trigger a sell signal. Additionally, some negative signals have been detected, which may impact the short-term progression of the stock. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, April 28, 2025, and since then, the stock has decreased by 6.26%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, a sell signal is currently being indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The trading volume has also decreased alongside the price during the last session, which diminishes the overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 16 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 49 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 9 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 15 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal 21 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 17 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 33 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. NIO finds support from accumulated volume at $3.98, and this level may present a buying opportunity. An upward reaction can be expected when this support level is tested. This stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with strong trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 13 cents, or 3.32%. Between its high and low, for the past week, the stock has experienced a daily average volatility of 2.84%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for NIO, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even established companies can experience downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may signal insufficient profits and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on June 5, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at negative 22 cents. Keep an eye on these numbers as they can significantly impact stock prices. Now let's explore some potential day trading levels for NIO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NIO is at $4.22. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to hold off until this level is surpassed before entering a position. For those who already possess the stock, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, NIO faces its initial support level at $3.98. If this support level remains intact, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for NIO from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock is older than 3 months. The latest transaction occurred on the 24th of February 2016, when Citigroup Inc. conducted an insider sale of 850 shares of variable rate demand preferred shares. Our recommended stop loss is set at $3.85, indicating a decline of 4.77%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, which results in a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal from a pivot top identified 15 days ago. Is NIO stock a good buy? NIO shows several positive indicators. However, we do not find these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, where one might consider holding or accumulating shares while awaiting further developments. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 20th of May, we anticipate that NIO will open lower by approximately 4 cents, starting trading at $4. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and that it's essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions related to buying or selling securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.